Hello everyone, this is Dan Hussey from ElliotWaveForecast.com bringing you our Video of the Day update, part of our Chart of the Day update series here. This week we'll be covering the Aussie-Yen cross. Yesterday we were actually looking at a 60-minute chart. Today we decided to upgrade a little bit to a 240-minute chart, mainly because the structure that we're watching is a little bit bigger. The Aussie-Yen has not been moving as much as some of the other not only yen counterparts, but some of the other markets we're watching. So we feel that it's better maybe to, because this has been a slightly slower trade as of late, to step back and take a look at some of the bigger levels here. And we're not saying slow in terms of, yes, this market's still moving hundreds of pips, but it's, when you consider and look at it relative to the pound yen or maybe even the euro yen, the Aussie yen is going almost nowhere and not moving as much. That doesn't mean that it's not a good asset to trade, and that doesn't mean there aren't opportunities here. We've been tracking and watching a corrective move in the Aussie yen in both directions here. So we have, first and foremost, we've watched a three-wave cycle down in a W, X, Y move down into this blue W down into equal legs. This traded down into the 123.6% invalidation level. So I mean, it held the invalidation level. So it doesn't mean this is invalidated as an inflection zone out here, but it definitely we didn't want to see it go below that 89.23 area, and it didn't. It bounced off that inflection zone very nicely, and now we're actually trading up into where a technical short exists. This is a full 50% short off the prior high. It comes in at the 93 handle. It's very important for the continuation of downside in this market. There's also an equal leg structure. This is in this WXY, this red WXY structure, up in three legs, which would come in at equal legs, 100% extensions, for the termination of blue X up into this 93.15 area. So equal legs, two legs up here, very nice three-wave structure could be forming, and we're going to be looking for the termination of this upside in three, really what is, I mean, I can only assume it's going to be three waves because it's forming a very nice equal leg setup, as well as into this 50%. It could turn into 5 or even 3, 7, or 11 rather, not 5. It could turn into 3, 7, or 11 in this corrective wave structure, but that would mean it'd become a little more complex and more choppy. In the near term, we should trade up and higher into this 93 to 93.20 area in the near term. The inflections down here could open up all the way up into the 95s, but for those of you in the live trading room, every day we're looking at this very chart and talking about how to trade it. And I will only say at this point that there is a trade setup here on the Aussie yen that we're looking to take. To be perfectly honest, we're also still short from the 96 handle. This was a very important area that the market came down from. And I'm not telling you this because I'm super bullish on the Aussie yen. Over the long term, I'm not. I'm bearish. I'm sorry. On the long term, I'm probably still very bullish on it. But we don't let those biases get in our way of how we trade. This is trading in a beautiful three-leg setup up into this 93 handle. It's absolutely a beautiful three-wave structure so far, and we're going to look for that equal legs and 50% line here up into this 93s in the near term. That very likely that's going to be the kind of the cap here on any rally. So if we see the rally actually start to go above 94s, that might actually change the picture depending on the structure it takes up there. But at this time, this is the inflection zone, and this is where we're looking for the Aussie yen to rally and to terminate overnight. Well, I shouldn't say overnight, because time-wise, we're never 100% sure when it will trade up into these levels, because it could still trade all the way back down to 90s and then back up if it really wanted to. But the structure at this time is suggesting a very clean three-leg equal leg move and rally up into this 93 area, where we like being ultimately sellers for a decline down into new lows and down towards a very technical 87 to 86 target well below us at this time. So with that being said, have a great day, everybody. Hope you all join me tomorrow and the rest of this week in the live trading room to get all of our updates on the Aussie yen and all the crosses we carry, full trade updates. And of course, be sure to check out for the rest of the summer. We're offering the 14-day trial still for those that are interested in trying out ElliotWaveForecast.com without having the full obligation of a monthly subscription. That option is there for you guys to check it out and hopefully make some money with us and even pay for the service from just trading with us. So have a great day, everybody, and we'll be back with you all tomorrow. And as price action develops, take care, everyone.